On Wednesday, October 8, Neelesh Suryavanshi clutching a bottle of cough syrup that had caused his 3-year-old son to be rushed to a hospital over 100 kilometers away due to acute kidney failure, was still hoping his son could avoid the fate of 18 others who had died after consuming the same poisonous medicine in the past month. On Thursday, October 9, he was burying his son. His son Mayank had been fighting for his life for weeks after being given Coldrif cough syrup, which is now linked to the death of 19 children in Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh state, central India. Basically, we gave poison to our child, said Neelesh Suryavanshi while buying medicine for his son, who was lying in the ICU of a government hospital in Nagpur, a city in the neighboring state of Maharashtra. The children, all under the age of 5, died after consuming Coldrif syrup made by Stresan Pharma, which contained nearly 500 times the permitted limit of toxic dilate glycol, officials said. The Coldrif brand was banned after a test confirmed the presence of the chemical on October 2nd. S. Ranganathan, the owner of the Tamil Nadu-based company that manufactured the syrup, was arrested on Wednesday in Chennai and brought before a court in Parasia, a town in Chhindwara where most of the deaths occurred, on Friday, October 10. Local pharmaceutical authorities have stepped up efforts to curb the distribution of contaminated medicines, testing random samples of cough syrup and conducting house-to-house visits to collect bottles of Coldrif. However, it was too late for Suryavanshi's little son. According to the law, Indian drug manufacturers are required to test every batch of raw materials and final products. Export of cough syrup requires additional testing in government-mandated laboratories since 2023 after the death of more than 10 children in Gambia, Uzbekistan, and Cameroon were linked to Indian-made syrups. The World Health Organization stated that this latest case highlighted a regulatory gap in the screening of medicines sold domestically in India and warned that some export may have been done unofficially. Indian authorities have urged the public to avoid 2 other locally sold syrups, Raspberry Fresh and Relife, made by Shape Pharma and Rednex Pharmaceuticals based in Gujarat, after the test results showed that both syrups contain the same toxic chemical. Known as the pharmacy of the world, India is the 3rd largest drug manufacturer by volume after the US and China.
मेरे को ऊपर से डालना है, मेरे साइड में रख के जाना है।